Hey, my name is Little Jerry. And this is what we like to call fighting.
I'm gonna lay some eggs. This chicken coop stinks so bad.
Yeah, good thing I'm not around, 'cause then that'd be a lot of chicks. And it's cold and stinky in here. Oh, let's have Rodney clean the chicken coop, 'cause it stinks. And I'm out of here, 'cause it stinks. But lay some eggs. I'm not gonna do anything. I'm just gonna leave.
Where's my food? Where's my food? Oh, this chicken coop is so nice. I'm so glad someone made it for me. Well, I'm gonna go find some other friends.